How's it, everyone? We are wrapping up graduation season, and what better way to celebrate than with a new credit card? Today we'll be going over the top 5 credit cards for both students and also recent graduates. So this means if you are currently a student or if you just recently graduated, you're going to want to watch this video to find out which credit card is going to be perfect for you. To start things off, we have a staple when it comes to beginner or student credit cards. The first credit card on this list is the Discover It card. And I'm sure many of you have already heard about this card before and are familiar with this card because it's for a good reason. The Discover It card is actually an excellent beginner or student credit card, and I think it's for two main reasons. The first is that the Discover It card is relatively easy to get. You do not need some lengthy credit history or a stellar credit score to be accepted for the Discover It card. I've seen people with little to no credit history get accepted, and as far as credit score goes, you should ideally be around the mid 600s range to be accepted for this credit card. The second reason why the Discover It card is so popular is because of its reward multipliers, which we'll go over right now. With this card, you'll receive 5% cash back on rotating categories every month, and then 1% cash back on everything else. But let's go over that 5% cash back category. Every quarter, Discover will select 2 spending categories that you'll earn 5% cash back on those purchases. And here you can see the selected categories for 2022. These categories are pretty general and should be easy to hit every quarter. Another good thing is that Discover actually lets you know ahead of time what those selected categories are going to be for the entire year. And that's because some credit card companies won't let you know the next quarter's categories until it's like a week before the quarter ends. Keep in mind though that for every quarter, you will earn 5% cash back on up to $1,500 worth of purchases in those select categories. So once you spend more than $1,500 on those selected categories for the quarter, you will then only earn 1% cash back. Also remember that every quarter you need to manually activate those bonus reward multipliers, so be sure to do that in your Discover account. And like most credit cards for students or beginners, the Discover It card has no annual fee, but it does have a unique or different sign-up bonus. Instead of earning points like a normal sign-up bonus, the Discover It card will give you an unlimited cashback match for the entire first year. That means for the entire first year that you have this credit card, Discover will give you a dollar for dollar match for all of the cash back that you earn during that time period. But let's say you don't like having pre-selected categories on your credit card. You prefer the flexibility of your reward multipliers. That's where the second credit card on this list comes in handy, which is the Citi Custom Cash Card. Imagine the Discover It card with an ever so slight upgrade, then you have the Citi Custom Cash Card. With this card, you will also earn 5% cash back, but it's on purchases in your top highest eligible spend category for that month. This means whichever eligible category that you spent the most money on in that month, you're going to earn 5% cash back on it. And you might be wondering, which categories are there to choose from? And don't worry, because they have all the options that you ever need. Citi allows you to choose between restaurants, gas stations, grocery stores, select travel, select transit, select streaming services, drugstores, home improvement stores, fitness clubs, and live entertainment. That means you should have no problem racking up a lot of points using that 5% cashback reward multiplier. There is also a $500 cap on those 5% cashback purchases every month, so once you spend more than $500 on your highest eligible spend category, you will only be earning 1% cashback on those purchases. But if you max out a category with that 5% cashback every month, that's at least 2,500 points to your account. Another reason why the Citi Custom Cash Card is great is because you don't have to manually activate this 5% cashback reward multiplier. That's because Citi will automatically decide or show you which category you are eligible on getting that 5% cash back, since it's just going to be your highest spend category. The Citi Custom Cash Card also has no annual fee and will give you $200 cash back after you spend $750 within the first 3 months of opening up your account. Earning 5% cash back is great and everything, But once you max out those purchase limits, you're only earning 1% cash back, and ideally you want to earn more than 1% cash back or more than 1 times points on every single purchase that you make. That's why the third best credit card for students is going to be the Citi Double Cash credit card, and like the name suggests, you're going to be earning 2% cash back on every purchase. Not only that, but you are not capped to any purchase restrictions or limitations, so whether you're spending $100 or $100,000 on this credit card, you're going to be earning 2% cash back the entire way. This credit card has no category limits, has no purchase limits, so it gives you the ultimate flexibility. Unfortunately, the Citi Double Cash card does not have any sort of sign-up bonus, but it doesn't have an annual fee. And a bonus credit card for spot number 3 on my list is actually the Wells Fargo Active Cash card. But before we go into that credit card, go ahead and make sure you like and subscribe down below to watch more videos like this one. Back to the Wells Fargo Active Cash card, this credit card is actually very similar to the Citi Double Cash card. That's because it also has no annual fee, and it also earns you unlimited 2% cash back on every purchase. But this credit card does have a sign-up bonus and will give you $200 cash back after you spend $1,000 within the first 3 months of opening up your account. The Active Cash will also give you up to $600 of cell phone protection against damage or theft when you pay your monthly phone bill with this card. Also, at any time, if you want to learn more about credit cards like the ones in this video, or if you want to support me and this channel, please be sure to check out the credit card links and other links down below in the description. Moving on to the fourth best credit card for students, we actually have the first credit card with an annual fee. This is the Amex Gold card. Honestly though, this credit card may be a little bit harder to get than the other cards on this list, and it also has an annual fee of $250. But this credit card still has a lot of value, as you'll see. You will earn 4 times points on restaurants and also 4 times points on grocery purchases. You will also earn 3 times points on flights booked directly or through AmexTravel.com. You will then earn 1 times points on everything else. Right there, the Amex Gold card will give you a huge 4 times reward multiplier on things that you could buy every day. That's because groceries and restaurant spend categories are 2 of the more popular or easier categories to hit since you gotta eat every day, right? And why not earn 4 times points on those purchases? On top of that, I didn't mention the best part of the Amex Gold card, which is its credits. Every year, you will earn $120 of Uber credit, which can be used for Uber rides or Uber Eats. You'll also receive a $120 dining credit that could be used for companies like Grubhub, The Cheesecake Factory, Goldbelly, Wine.com, Milk Bar, and select Shake Shack locations. Both of these credits are given to you in $10 increments every month across the 12 months. And they do not roll over. So if you don't use all the credits in 1 month, you will not get them the next month. You're gonna lose them. Every year, you are receiving $240 worth of credits, so that cuts your effective annual fee down to just $10 a year. Seems like a pretty good deal to me. But what if you still don't wanna pay an annual fee? Well, that's okay because the last credit card on this list has no annual fee, and it's the Chase Freedom Flex card. With the Chase Freedom Flex card, you'll be earning 5% cash back on rotating quarterly categories. But just like the Discover It card, you are capped to $1,500 worth of purchases every quarter. You'll also earn 5% cash back on travel booked through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, 3% cash back on dining at restaurants, 3% cash back on drugstore purchases, and 1% cash back on everything else. The Chase Freedom Flex card also has a sign-up bonus where if you spend $500 within the first 3 months of account opening, you will earn $200 cash back. And right now, you'll also earn 5% cash back on gas station purchases on up to $6,000 within the first year of having the Chase Freedom Flex card. And as another little bonus credit card, I wanted to mention the Chase Freedom Unlimited as well. This card is very similar to the Chase Freedom Flex card because they both have no annual fee, they both have the same sign-up bonus, and they both have the same reward multiplier categories except for one. Instead of the 5% cash back category, the Chase Freedom Unlimited will give you 1.5% cash back on those general purchases. You also do not have a purchase limit on that 1.5% cash back category. Have any of these credit cards piqued your interest? Well, let me know in the comments down below. And if you haven't already done so, Don't forget to subscribe and check out the links down below where you could earn up to $325 with SoFi after you create an account and make a deposit. Or you could earn $30 cash back with Rakuten off of your first purchase. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Shoots.